I chose the University of Akron for its opportunities and its connections. From a young age, I always knew I wanted to be a physician. I really wanted to apply to a direct medicine program and get into one when applying to high school because it gives me a step up. I knew I always wanted to be an OB-GYN, and coming into undergrad and being involved in reproductive healthcare research has truly engaged my confidence within research, and especially research in reproductive healthcare. Getting into medical school nowadays is incredibly hard. All of these schools have less than 2% acceptance rates. People take more than 2 to 3 gap years, which is very expensive. The University of Akron is known for being affordable for their students. I really was looking for a department of biology that was engaged with their students, that supported their students. And I think their biology tiered mentoring program was something that really enticed me, as they're giving research opportunities to freshmen. The Lake Erie College of Osteopathic Medicine program is a 3+4 early assurance program where I won't need to take the MCAT, which was a big plus. So the University of Akron is really good at supporting their students and getting them to the careers and the places they want to go, which I'm very grateful for. The faculty all connected with their students, and I really like that, and they would reach out to freshmen and say, hey, we're offering you a research opportunity, come take it, which was something that not a lot of undergraduate universities offer. I fell in love with the community and the passion that all of these students had, and I will never ever regret choosing to be a ZIP.